Hey guys, I'm Chad Hoover and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to launch a fishing kayak. Fish on! So you might say to yourself, how to launch a fishing kayak? You just drag it in the water and go. But let me show you how to properly launch a fishing kayak, because here's the thing. When you're launching a prepared boat ramp with a nice, even incline or decline, it's easy. It's always easy. But if you've got a steeper angle, if you've got uneven terrain, the big mistake that I see people make a lot is they put the boat fore and aft on the ramp and then the keel is dead center. So if you try to walk down the nose of the boat and you're any heavier than what you just saw Reese do, because he's a little bitty thing and he could get away with it, you're gonna put the weight on one side of the boat, and because that boat is up on its keel, that boat's gonna flip over to its side and throw you out of it in a lot of cases. So let me show you a little bit smarter way, easier way, and more consistent way to launch a fishing kayak that might not be intuitive. So here's how I like to do it. I like to take the boat, I like to take it in the water, and then I like to turn it broadside. And I know that this is counterintuitive, but what I do is I push it out with my paddle, and then I bring it back to me. Then this side of the boat is now anchored on the shoreline. So you can put your paddle on the ground and you could step in the boat and you have a stable platform, right? That boat's got bite on the ramp and you're not sitting there teetering on that keel and you don't waste a lot of time. The next thing that I like to do is simply sit down and then just scoot away from the ramp, pushing off just like so. Now, all you have to do is paddle away and go enjoy a day of fishing. Again, I know it sounds simple, but the opposite of that is how to land a fishing kayak. And this is the part where people get in a lot of trouble. So here's how we do it. You basically paddle in towards the ramp, or motor in or pedal in, and when you get close, you drag your paddle on the outside and you're gonna bring yourself in broadside. What I like to do is have a little bit of momentum, and then I'm gonna lean away from the ramp and kick my butt around. What that does is then when I stand up, this side grabs, you simply put your weight on that side, anchor with your paddle, stand up and step out of the boat, and that's how you recover a fishing kayak. So again, the problem is if you come in straight, there's two big problems with coming straight in. First and foremost, you're gonna come into the ramp and you're gonna run your keel in to the ramp, just like that. Problem with that is the same spot on your boat is hitting over and over. If I've ever seen the biggest problem with fishing kayaks is that spot right there. That nose constantly grinding against concrete ramps, rocky shorelines, and it's gonna be the #1 failure point on most fishing kayaks, and it's not covered under warranty because it's self-inflicted. The other problem is now this boat is super tippy because you only have one single point of contact on that higher keel, and when you try to get out of the boat, it's going to roll over. So again, the steeper the boat ramp, the bigger that problem is. But the biggest problem is you're gonna wear your boat out. So again, what you wanna do is you wanna glide in, turn sideways, lean away so that you slide up onto the ramp, then put that weight back on that butt cheek, it'll grab, then you put the weight on that foot, stand up, step out of the boat, use your paddle as a brace. In fact, you can actually take your paddle apart and just use the short side as a brace and get out of the boat and then spin it sideways and drag it up the ramp. Again, I know it sometimes sounds simple how to launch a fishing kayak, right? But there's definitely a better way to do it and avoid getting into a boat that is uneven because it's sitting on the keel and premature failure of the boat. Hey guys, I'm Chad Hoover. If you like these kind of tips, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section below, give me a thumbs up. It takes a little bit of effort on your part, means a whole lot to me, and we'll see y'all in the next video. For now, I'm gonna go try to catch a fish.